Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbyist. In this video, I'm I'm gonna start to sculpting. If you wanted to make sculpting in Blender, you should open a new sculpting. Uh, when you click the sculpting, it is gonna open this thing. But if you wanted to, if you opened a normal view, something like this, that means you can make sculpting in this view too. But you need to know something about this. First of all, I'm gonna show you. Click this one and go to sculpt mode. If you go to sculpt mode, you can see Control Z. You do nothing but something a little bit. To understand that, I'm going to open this one, open wireframe. And now you can see this is a normal cube. If you open this one, sorry, at the edit mode, you can see it has just 8 vertices. If you click one vertex, and you can move it. But at the same time, I'm going to click this grab mode, you can move this too. But you can't do something like the other you can't do something like this because there are many vertices here. You can see you do this thing or you make this thing. So in normal cube you can't make something, you can't use this other brushes. Just grab, maybe to grab a vertex to pull and push. To fix this problem, I'm going to go to edit mode. You can increase the vertices. And now, if I go to sculpt mode, now you can see I can grab, I can use these brushes or add these things. You can see you can use this tools, these brushes. Or there's another way for this one. You can click sculpt mode. You can go to remesh and click it. You can see we remesh it. But if you wanted to see how much you remesh, press R. Control Z. I'm going to open the screencast. Now you can see here. And I'm press at the sculpt mode. You can see I'm at sculpt mode. You can press R to see how much you make something like subdivision. Actually, you remesh it. I think this is good. And after to apply remesh, press Ctrl R. Now you can see our device. Now I can smooth it. You can see I can use this draw brush. You can see here. I can use this clay brush. You can see here. But in normal, and I can press F take it 1. But in normal, as you know, we don't use this view. So I'm going to close this one and press F to scale my brush. Actually, you can use this brush too. You can use this sphere, or you can use this sphere at normal sculpting, mode. But as you can see, using a cube to make this thing, it is cooler. So starting with this, maybe, but usually I do something like this. I add, for example, for this one object, I go to generate subdivision surface and apply it. And now I can do anything I want. To make a sculpting or a head or with whatever you want, from this cube to this face or this head, it looks cooler. That's why I start with a cube. And actually, you know, cube is holy mesh for Blender. And final thing I don't want to make this video too much long. So I am going to tell you final thing. I'm going to tell you about these tools in the next video. So why we make sculpting? As you can see, the object mode, we can make something like this with hard surface modeling with a cube. But to make something like this in edit mode, it looks too much. And believe it or not, you can't do that without using sculpting. Yeah, after making this model, you should, or you have to retopologize to make it simpler. But at the first, to make these details, you have to use sculpting. If you don't want to make a character or something like this, you don't know, you don't have to know how to sculpt. But if you wanted to make something like this character or etc., you have to know sculpting. And I know the hard surface modeling is cool. It's cool enough to me too. And if you wanted to learn or to be professional about hard surface modeling, you have to watch Josh Gambrell. And if you wanted to be professional about sculpting, there are many character modeler, and if you search in YouTube sculpting Blender, you can find many people, many professionals, and it looks cooler for me. That's all I wanted to tell you about in this video. And in next video, we are going to continue with all these tools. Actually, you don't need to know all the tools. You just know a few tools. Believe it or not, 5 or 6 tools are enough for all of us. And we are gonna continue with that. Thanks for watching. See you at next video, and subscribe my channel, hit the like button.